Friends, in this video, I'm going to tell you how to get coco suit in Roblox for free. So right now, this item is in marketplace is of 100 Robux. If you want to get it for a free, then you can do it. You just need to go to uh, Vita Coco game, Vita Coco, and Vita Coco, the coconut grove. You have to enter into this game. Just tap on play button, open the Roblox app. Once the game is open, guys, once the game is open, so in order to get a Coco suit, you need to go to a secret, a secret hidden cave. So let's go to that cave. So from the beginning area, walk away from the water into a center of the Iceland. So we have to go to the waterfalls. So we have to find a waterfall in this game first of all. We finally have guys reached the waterfall here, so you have to go behind and go behind to find a secret cave. Yeah, you can see that this cave, you have to enter into this cave. Just come out of this river. I'm not being able to reach here. Now you have to take left. Fine, and keep walking. So just keep walking until you get the end. And as you can see that we finally reached our destination. So we have to interact with it. So we have to press all the E button to grab it. And we got the guys badge right now. We got the badge. Now you just need to go to the inventory and find the coco suit in your avatar inventory. So let's go to now you just need to go to your avatar of inventory. Let's see we got our badge or not. So, and guys, finally we got our coco suit in our avatar inventory. You just need to select it to see how it looks. And hope you like it, hope you understood, and thanks for watching. Bye bye. And that's how you can get your Vita Coco for free in or a Coco suit in a Vita Coco event. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.